Hairdryer by Richard Stilgoe. In height I'm 5'4 3/4". I'm blessed with a wife and 3 beautiful daughters. All my life I have wanted to be a policeman or police person to BPC. But they said, "You're too small, we cannot employ you. You might fool the crooks, but the lads would destroy you. They wouldn't relent unto my demands." So I took the law into my own 2 soft hands. I purchased a bright yellow waterproof jacket. It's meant for a yachtsman. It cost me a packet. And from our milkman, a helpful, amenable chap, he gave me, for nothing, his second best cap. Apart from this unusual attire, I borrowed my wife's dark brown plastic hairdryer. And during evening and morning rush hours, I point it at cars. Oh, I do love the power. You should see their faces. They stand on their brakes, they slow down to 30, each white knuckle shakes. I write their numbers down on my clipboard, and nobody ever suspects I'm a fraud. Then they trundle off home at the pace of a snail and wait for the summons to come in the mail, for their licence to be stripped and thrown in the bin by a man with a pifco that isn't plugged in. I haven't told you where that I live, and that's information I'm not going to give. So you'll never know the next copy you see is the genuine article or merely me. You'll never know if that cop's a real cop. Have you been fooled by a hat from the local co-op? Have you slowed to a crawl with a man standing there with a wife and 3 daughters with slightly damp hair?